And nice move inside. Dimets. Here he is again. Remember, like move down low from Vaskevich. Blažić hustles to the other end, and Vrhunci puts it up with the glass. And Rebec brings a little bit of rain from long range. Front of the rim. Blažić passes up. Prepelic beats Belarus down the court. That 9 inches. Power forward. Haven't really seen him step outside and hit a three. Oh, Sadler just has his pockets picked by Rebec. And Rebec does a good job dribbling and go high off the glass. Sadler now with 23 points. And the answer from Blažić, he goes to 25. Play. Great pass.